Problem 1. It says if triangle ABC is similar to XYZ, with AB being 6, BC being 10, AC 14, XY 9, what is the perimeter of XYZ? Well, reading it right off, you're like, what am I doing here? I don't really know. Well, let's draw again. As I always say, draw a picture to help us see what's going on. I know that I'm going to set up some ratio with some sides and one perimeter to another, but let's go ahead and draw this out. I got triangle ABC. So here, very simple, small, ABC. And it's similar to this XYZ, this guy right here, X, Y, Z. And it tells me AB is 6. It tells me BC is 10. It tells me AC is 14. And it tells me XY, it tells me one measurement on this guy, 9. And it wants to know the perimeter of this, the distance around. Well, I could go through and set up similar sides. Now notice A right here, this angle A is the exact same as angle X. Angle B right here matches up with Y. And finally C, 1, 2, 3, is matching this guy, 1, 2, 3. So I know that this 6 corresponds to the 9. You could, and some students end up going, oh, well, 6 is to 9 as 10 is to this missing piece. They find this missing piece. Then they do 6 is to 9 as 14 is to this missing piece, and they get that, and then they add them all up. But that's a waste of time. Because what happens and what you've been taught is you can simply say that the perimeters will be of the same ratio as the side lengths are. And I have right now that this 6 corresponds to 9. The ratio is 6 to 9. For every 6 inches that's 9 inches on that triangle. So for every inch of perimeter here, it's going to be of that same ratio for the perimeter there. So I'm going to say 6 is to 9, 6 to that corresponding side, as this guy's perimeter is to that guy's. Now I can look at this guy and get its perimeter. 6, 10, and 14, that adds up to 30. 6 and 10 is 16, plus 14 is 30. So as that guy's perimeter, which is 30, is to this guy's perimeter. I'll just label it P. So I have 6 times P equals 9 times 30, 270. All I got to do now, divide by 6. Divide by 6. 6 goes into 24, 4, 30 left over, 45. Comes out pretty. This guy's perimeter is 45.